In this video, we will learn how to calculate age in Java. First, I will import java dot time local date, and then I'm going to import java dot time dot period, and this will be local date. That will be birthday, birth date, and local date, and I'm going to pass in the date of birth whose age we want to calculate. So it's gonna be 105 something and 11 and 2, and then I can call local dates method now to get current date. Will be local date now equal to local date, and then it's method now, this uppercase. And now we can find how many years for this person, how old this person is. So it's gonna be long years, and then chrono unit dot. I need to import this package too. So over here, import java dot time dot temporal dot chron unit, and this O is missing over here, temporal, and this is chrono unit. O is missing over here, and this will be years between the birth date and the current date. So it's gonna be our birth date, date, and then will be local date that's in I, and then close this, and we will get the difference in years. I'm going to print out this one, system.out.println age in years, that will be years, and after I execute the program, the age is printed. And if you want to also find the difference between months too, we can use a period class, and this will be period p, and then period between two dates, the birth date and the local current date. And now we can print out the year, system dot out dot println year, and that will be p dot get years, the years passed, and Then after that, month, month, and now I need to call period dot get months, p dot get months, and now if you want also the days, you can get our from our period object get days, days, p dot get days. And now we can execute our program. And here you can see the person's age and the difference between year 34 and month and days. So this way you can easily calculate a person's date in Java. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.